How to fix Spotify login error with phone number. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Now to solve this problem, first and foremost, you will have to scroll down your notification center and tap on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and disable it later. This is to refresh your network. Now once you refresh your network, try again and check out your messages. This is to verify any OTP code that has been sent by Spotify. If this does not help, follow the next step. Press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will solve any of the bug or the glitch issue. Open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see Apps. Select All Apps. Now this is the alternative way if the previous feature is not available for you. Search for Spotify. Now force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Then, moving on, check for an update for your Spotify. Open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Search for Spotify. Select the application and tap on Update if there is any. Following this step, your issue must be solved. If not, the last resort is to uninstall your application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.